Welcome to Home Made by Carmona. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a tea and warm drink station. It's perfect for when you're expecting guests. That way they don't have to rummage around to try to find what they need for their morning drink. But I also think of it as that cozy touch that you add during the fall season. Granted, I do have a kid that loves her herbal teas, so it might be something that we choose to leave out year-round. I'm starting with a hanging rail system comprised of a couple of hooks and a leftover piece of curtain rod. These S-hooks are where the mugs will hang. A tray contains all your drippy things. Then add whatever yummy things you love most in your hot drinks. To make it prettier, you can transfer syrups and sugar to nicer containers. Don't forget spoons, stir sticks, tea, and other tea accessories. We're not coffee drinkers in this house, but I imagine for those who are, you would put a coffee maker right there in that little corner. Now, I chose to have my tea corner here in my kitchen, where it's perfectly positioned to where my mugs are, the refrigerator, things that I think that my guests might need access to. But really, you could set this up on a bar cart, anywhere in the home that makes sense. Now I just use a few pieces from all around the house that I brought together, which I'll do my best to link as many of them as I can in the caption. But I'll also include a few beautiful recommendations, especially if you're going to leave your tea station out all year round. Thanks for visiting, and don't forget to subscribe.